Hey Keith, this is Daniel Bug with Digital Vortex Media, and we're a marketing agency. I happen to be doing some research in your area, and I came across your website, and I figured I'd shoot a quick video on 3 things you can do today to start beating your competition online. I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to waste mine either. So if by the end of this video, you'd like to know more about how Digital Vortex Media can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips I've given you and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is that you give me some feedback on this video if you don't mind. So let's get into it. The 3 things that I want to show you today are content, citations, and backlinks. First thing, content. That's basically anything that you can see on the front page, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and what's behind the pictures. So it doesn't necessarily let me save your pictures because these are built as links. But this one right here, if you wait a second, it pops up Garage Door Repair Temple. That's what you want your pictures to be saved as. You want them to be saved as some sort of keyword um, that helps rank your site. So good on that. Also, Google likes for a page to have 1,500 words of content to be optimized for Google searches. The key thing here is making sure you have enough relevant, high quality content on the homepage to add in those keywords or key phrases that people are searching for that are specific to your services in order to help you guys get found on Google. So I would recommend adding in some more, just kind of keywords, talking about your business, what you do, what you offer, locations, and things like that on the homepage so that Google can optimize it better. It has a nice layout. I would just kind of add a little bit more to it. So the next thing I want to show you is citations. So here we have garage door repair Killeen, Texas. That's the keywords that I searched. So the first thing you see are the ads that people are paying Google to be on. Well, but studies show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if ads aren't set up properly. Moving to the next visible section, and the second important thing I wanted to talk about, we call this the Google Map Pack or the maps. And on these results, you can see the business's name, address, and phone number or citations. They get ranked on Google based on the directories they're listed in. You're probably thinking, what are directories and how do I get in those? So simply put, these citations, the name, address, phone numbers, or NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Pages, White Books, LinkedIn, Facebook, and so forth. So here's this tool that I use called uh, White. So you see, this is y'all, Lischer's overhead doors, and y'all have about 15 citations. So these are actually some of the citations that you're listed in. And then kind of backing up a little bit, we have Killeen Overhead Doors is your #1 competitor, and y'all are, I believe, fifth in. Oh wait, no, you're not listed in this one. You're not listed in the Google Business Profile or Google Map Packs for Killeen. Y'all were #1 for a temple for kind of organic in Google Maps. So I wanted to show you something, an area of improvement. So y'all actually aren't listed here in this section for Killeen, but y'all still fit within the radius. So that's why I wanted to kind of talk about it. So Killeen Overhead Doors is the #1 competitor for Killeen Garage Repair, and they have 14 citations. You see this is it right there. And so these are some of those citations that are available for you to be listed in as well. So you have more citations than them, but they're still #1. Well, not all citations are created equal. Some citations hold a higher domain authority. There are multiple things at stake in play here, but you typically want to have about 100 to 200 citations to beat your competition by a landslide. And that's so that way you can encompass the entire area of Killeen, Cove, Heights, and so forth as well, or as far as you'd like to reach. So the next thing that I want to go over is called backlinks. Now, this is something that Google um, uses to give your site authority or link juice. So as I mentioned, we searched for garage door repair Killeen, and your site's not #1. I believe y'all are 58th in this search. So y'all are kind of down there a little bit just for the Killeen section. There we go. We only got 58 for this site, just for the Killeen section. So simply put, you want to be here first. You want to be in this first spot and to beat the competition online. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like the link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a top overhead doors or something like this right here, top 10 garage door services or something similar linking back to you, that's more effective than if you have like a pizza place or something like that saying, hey, yes, this company worked and did some door repair for me, or roll up garage door repair for me or something. Google doesn't kind of look at it that way. They just see other relevant sites that are relevant to your business. So I want to show you this tool called Ahrefs that we can use. Sorry about that. So I want to show you this cool tool called Ahrefs that allows you to view what backlinks that you're using and even the kind of keywords and about how much traffic you're getting as well. So this is y'all, Temple Overhead Doors. We have about 164 backlinks coming from about 10 websites with 56 keywords and 44 clicks of traffic. So this is your number one competition for the Killeen area, Killeen Overhead Doors, and they have 530 backlinks from 42 sites, 275 keywords, and 212 clicks of traffic. Now, the good news here is that I can even click and see what backlinks they're using and go after some of those backlinks as well if it makes sense. So just to recap in closing, the front page needs to have at least 1,500 words of content, kind of just a little bit more there. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 citations to beat your competition by a landslide. And then the link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. You can either go with this information that I've provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 254-669-1392. Once again, my name is Daniel Bug, and my number is 254-669-1392. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.